So as always, I'm back with a review, and no matter how I'm feeling or anything, whether I've eaten anything or not, I make sure I sit down and record these videos because it's so important. I feel. So on Max Player, MX Player, there is this show called uh, Love and Affairs that stars a Indraneel Sengupta and Barkha Bisht, the husband and wife pair, and oh my god, what a show it is! I mean, it's like it's just 6 episodes, but and each of them just 20 minutes long. But you can. This is one of the first ever shows to have been shot during the lockdown. So basically, it's been shot by the couple themselves in their own house, and like the title says, love and affairs. It's a very intriguing storyline, So really, people, it's like MX Player. It's a new player in the field. I feel like it's on par with some of these, the Hotstar app and Z Classic and all. But MX Player has some very interesting shows, and Love and Affairs, which is, it's by this certain Bengali production house called Hoi Choi. That's the spelling given there. I should probably check the Bengali meaning of it, the English translation of the Bengali word. But really, people, so try and catch it. And I have to say, Indraneel Sengupta and Barkha Bisht, here they are one of the most underrated uh, actors that we have in the industry today. I mean, it's like just brilliant their performance, and it feels so real. It's like man, powerful actors, yeah, both of them. So really, people, try and catch it. Love and Affairs, and it's on MX Player. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.